overhauling the complete cylinder head, cleaning it, all those things. Around 18 to 20 videos just on generators decarb are there. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Well guys, with Merchant Navy Decoded, with all the packages like Dreamer package, Visionary package, Achiever package, Interview package and all those packages coming on the website, I wanted to teach you all one thing, that there is nothing free in this world. जब भी कभी सुनो free, you should become alert. कभी कुछ free में नहीं मिलता है. So guys, that's why Dreamers package costed 999 rupees, Visionary package costed 1999, Achievers package costed 2499. Interview package is coming, other packages are coming very soon, whether you're an engineer or even for the deck side. But that was something that I wanted to teach you as step number 1. But now, as a mentor, step number 2 comes into play. And that is कि अगर हर चीज फ्री में नहीं मिलती, if you do not get anything free in this world, then second thing is you cannot buy everything. हर चीज बिकाऊ नहीं है. Oh, you have got money, you can buy this. You have got money, you can buy this. No. And that is where priceless package comes into play. Well guys, in this priceless package, you cannot buy it. You have to earn it. हर वो चीज बिकाऊ नहीं होती, कुछ चीजें कमानी पड़ती हैं. ये प्राइसलेस पैकेज आपको कमाना पड़ेगा. कुछ हर्डल्स हैं, कुछ डिफिकल्टीज रहेंगी, कुछ चैलेंजेस आई विल बी पुटिंग अक्रॉस. If you complete those hurdles, those challenges, priceless package is yours. Along with priceless package, a whole lot of recognition will be coming. I'll be saying thank you कि भाई तुमने वो challenges see through करे. So now guys, the question is, what is there in this priceless package? Well guys, in this priceless package, number 1 you will find is complete generator decarb videos. You talk about generator cylinder head, removing, taking out, apart from that dismantling, उसके अलावा tappet clearances लेना, tappets check करना, apart from that overhauling the complete cylinder head, cleaning it, all those things. Piston removal, dismantling, piston rings removal, पूरा calibration, how to use a micrometer, a vernier caliper, everything is there. Apart from that, connecting rod bolts, what is ovality, कैसे check करते हैं, why is it important, where are connecting rod bolts fitted, everything is taught in this videos practically on board ship. Cylinder liner calibration, around 18 to 20 videos just on generators decarb are there. Very important, not just for first time joiners, GME aspirants, but also for 4th engineers, 3rd engineers, even 2nd engineers. If you are going on an oil tanker or you have sailed on an oil tanker, inert gas system plays a very important role. Second section that I have covered is inert gas system. Practically on board ship, showing you how the automation is working, where each and every component is fitted, taking you inside the scrubber tower, all those important things, very important. Third thing that I have covered is today's zamana hai automation ka, right? Electronic engines, ME engines. Before joining ME engines on ship, I did a course which was conducted by my own shipping company. Then I went on ship, studied a lot on the manuals, saw all those things on the panels out there, and then finally what all knowledge I could get, what all knowledge I could gather, which is a part of this priceless package over here. Not just that, automation on boiler plays a very important role. I was lucky enough to sail on an oil tanker where Aalborg boilers were fitted, alpha level system, complete automation, around 18 videos where I am first explaining you all the theory, then talking about the practical aspects, and then taking you through the practical rounds. Very, very important guys. I feel यहीं से आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारे questions जाएंगे and you learn a lot. Very, very important. Apart from that, a complete detailed engine room round of a bulk carrier as well as of a tanker. COPT system round, cargo oil pump turbine system क्या होता है, कैसे काम करता है, lot of things are covered there as well. Electrical videos where first time you will be seeing me taking Megger, talking about voltmeter, talking about multimeter, talking about a clamp meter, showing you how to take readings, everything out there. What is ACB, कैसे ACB निकालते हैं, where is ACB fitted, where is bus bar fitted, all those crucial videos as well, and a lot more. And a lot more. Well guys, all I want to say is I believe this priceless package is worth it, but you have to earn it. एंड व्हाई? बिकॉज हर चीज बिकाऊ नहीं होती. So now we need to know what are the conditions to get the priceless package, right? So first condition is revise the Dreamers package again. There will be a MCQ test at the end of the Dreamers package. You'll get only 2 attempts to qualify that test, to pass that test. You qualify and pass that test, send that screenshot to us. We will courier you a certificate of pass and appreciation from our side. That's step number 1. You get a certificate for passing the Dreamers package test. Then comes the Visionary package test. You get 3 chances for that same MCQ test, right? 3 chances. You clear that test, send us a screenshot. We will courier you a certificate for the Visionary package as well. Go to the Achievers package. You'll get 4 chances to clear the Achievers package test. Clear that test, get Achievers package certificate courier from us to your home. Have all those 3 certificates with you. The moment you have Dreamers package certificate, Visionary package certificate, Achievers package certificate, immediately you will get access to the priceless package as well. I know there are obstacles. Everything is not easy. So यहाँ पर you have to earn it. So your steps to earning starts now. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.